Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so today I will present my portfolio. So in here the table of content. The first there is introduction, second curriculum vitae, and game project, website project, IoT project, multimedia project, Android project, English project, linear project, achievement and experience. Niao everyone. My name is Alvin Tarasya Alfarizi. Usually, usually people call me Alvino, and I was born in Jakarta, 5 November 2009. I am the first child in my family, the older brother of two young siblings. So, this is my curriculum vitae. You can contact me in WhatsApp, Gmail, or Instagram. And my education, I already learned at TK Harapan Ibu, and for the elementary school, I learned in SD Al Azhar 44, and now I learn in Aiden Boarding School. So the first project I will tell you is a game project. So first game project is a catching fruit. So this game project I make with two platform, with Scratch and Buildbox. I will explain both of this platform, but the first we will go to the Scratch. So the first project I make in the Scratch, I make a catching fruit. Catching fruit is a game of catching apples that come down from above with a bowl. If you want to win, you have to collect 10 apples with a bowl and don't get hit by bats. Apples are useful for adding points. If hit bats, you will lose. So this was the first project that we make when you learn in IDN. Then the second project that I make in Scratch is Alien Invader. Alien Invader is a game shooting aliens with fire. This game can be played with the mouse pointer to move the shutter and space to shoot. If you successfully shoot and the alien then you will get 1 point. If you are hit by an alien, then you will lose. So this like basic game that you already play when you are a child. Then the third project, still Scratch, I make a Pac-Man. Pac-Man on Scratch platform is one of the popular game in uh, in 80s, and in this game you have to run from ghosts and eat the yellow dots to get more points. If you are get caught by a ghost, you will lose. Yeah, this game is basic game too that you already play. I think all that this a popular game until now. Still there is people play Pac-Man. Then next we move to the second platform that was a Buildbox. So the first project Buildbox I put in my portfolio is Jumping Cube. Jumping Cube, this game is a box 3D game that jumps over obstacles like cones and must hit the ball to get coins. If the points have reached the maximum, then it will win. So this game is just jumping your cube, and don't hit the cones or the spike to win and get all the coin. And the second build box game, I put Crossing Road. Crossing Road is a 3D game that's similar to games that already exist in the App Store and Play Store. Yeah, you can search in Play Store or App Store. Crossing road, there is a chicken jumping cross the road, and we make a build box, but just with a box because the chicken, the asset we difficult to find. This game has theme of a box that jump over the blocks that run right and left. The player must jump over the blocks one by one. Yeah, as you can see in here, we have to crossing what the the block one by one. So the block like moving right and left, and then we have to jump. We have to jump until the until finish. Okay, and then we go to a website project. In this website project, I use WordPress and Google Site. So the first is personal website. This personal website you have to make in IDN for you submitting your project. So before you submit your project, you have to upload to YouTube uh, and upload to your personal website. Personal website is a web for self data of experience of certain events that are followed. This web contains my lesson. And in here, I put my profile, my project, my achievement that I got, gallery and contact, and my portfolio. Then the second website I make is school website. So in here I take my elementary school for this school website. School website is a web for school introduction, school profile, and things about the school such as school profile and academics in the school. School information, news in the school, achievement that have been achieved by the school or student in the school. At the school website. And then the third, I make a MOS website. This MOS I take of my school MOS, my elementary school MOS at Masjid Raya Al Azhar Sumarekon Bekasi. Mosque website is a web that contains information about the mosque and things about the mosque such as a mosque's profile, mosque's information, the agenda that will carried out by the mosque prayer schedule contains the imam during Friday prayer and other. Then we will move to IoT project. So the first IoT project, the first project we made in IDN when 8th grade we make a line follower. So in here line follower we make with microbit. We code at MacCode, and line follower is a robot that can walk according to the color of the road because the robot is programmed to only follow the road with one color made with microbit MacCode. So line follower is only following the line that we already code in the MacCode. And then the second is robot remote control. Robot remote control or usually get called RRC. This I made this microbit project when I was at grade named remote control. In this project, you can control a robot using a remote that already have a program. Then the third, still in a microbit, I make a flood detection. Flood detection is a system for detecting ground vibration and water level. This system is very useful for detecting tsunamis and earthquake. If detected, then the curva result will appear, made with microbit MacCode again. So this useful for our country to detect the flood, to then the fourth project still With Microbit, I make a greenhouse bit. I made this Microbit project when I was at grade, named Greenhouse Bit. Greenhouse bit is like planting indoor. And in this project, you can control your greenhouse using a website. So we make this for making easy a farmer to control the farm in the greenhouse using website. So the farmer can control from website in the home. And then the fifth project, we change platform not in Microbit, but we already make in Arduino. I make a smart farm. Smart farm is a farming management concept that relies on the help of advanced technology such as big data, cloud storage, and the Internet of Things. So smart farm is like if the dirt is dry, and then this smart farm will work and will planting the will give a water to the plant. And then we move to multimedia project. In this multimedia project, I using Figma and Canva. So in the first project of multimedia, I make a UI UX design. UI UX design. This is an online store, theme, and sell plans with a wide variety of plan and has a plan scanning feature. I create this on the Figma app. This I make a travel app. I get reference from Traveloka, the cover, but the inside from Traveloka too. Then the next, I have a UI 3D design. UI 3D design is a design that I made in 8th grade, and I made this design very easily using Figma, because this just make in Figma just the just one design, so it's very easy. And then the third project of multimedia, I make a illustration. So illustration are picture, photos, paintings, or design used to clarify the contents of books, essay, and the other. And illustration can also be used as decoration, and here I make an illustration of one of the character in the anime, namely Gojo. Then the fourth project is ads poster. Ads poster, this time I made the ads poster about one of the world famous food, namely burgers. Here I got the asset from Google and from teacher. Then the next, the project is animation. I made this using a Canva. So animation is a moving image in the form of a collection of object image arranged in a orderly manner following a movement path at each increment of time that occurs. The image can be an image of living creature, an inanimate object, or writing. And next, I make infographic. Infographic are visual representations of information. Next, I make a visual merchandise. I made when I was at grade, with which was named visual merchandise. I made it using Figma application. It was just a visual design. Here I made it with a design from one of the laptop that is quite famous among laptop, namely the Razer Blade 16. And we move to a Android project. So Android project, I using two platform, Codular and Android Studio. So the first in Kodular, I make a name card. This one of the very easy project in 9th grade because use only one frame. I made this application when I was 9th grade, named name card app. I made this for my first IT project in 9th grade, and I made this using Kodular. The next project, I make calculation with Kodular too. I made this application when I was in 9th grade, named calculation app. This app is about calculator, but I add some of like two-dimensional figure calculation. So this I take a color is purple because purple is a good color. And then the next we go to Android Studio or Flutter. The first project is Zakat Menu Bitaqwa. Zakat Menu is a menu in the Bitaqwa app. Zakat calculation as exemplified by the apostle with appropriate UC result and easy to understand. So I make this to make easy people for know how much zakat that we have to give. And then the next, I have a video kajian Bitaqwa. This video kajian Bitaqwa is a video that already I put in here, like Ustadz Khalid Basalama or Ustadz Syafiq Riza Basalama. So we can watch his kajian in here. Yeah. And then we move to English project. So the first English project that I put in my portfolio, of course, my practical exam. Practical exam video is an English exam video where we have to make a video about a public figure in this about public figure, and in this video I choose Cristiano Ronaldo because I really like him, and because Cristiano Ronaldo is a famous public figure. And when I upload this video, in 3 months I get 13,000 views because Cristiano Ronaldo. I make using a Clipchamp, easy platform for beginner editor. Then the second, I put final exam because this one of a project that have a long duration, because this final project have 3 phase. The first is an interview with our beloved teacher, Mr. Rizky Kurniawan Saputra, and the second explaining country that I choose is Turkey, and the last is favorite project. And then next is podcast. Podcast is actually a target, and in this podcast I talk about our study and project plan in the future. We talk about our dream, education, and profession. So this I make with Faris in 7th grade. As you can see in here, my face and Faris' face still baby. So yeah, because we make in 7th grade. Okay, next we move to Dinia project. The first Dinia project, I make a hadis poster. I made this in 7th grade. Yeah. Then the second Dinia project is Akidah poster. I made this in 8th grade about a faith in angels. And next is Vicky project. In IDN, Vicky project always make mind map. So in here, Vicky mind map is a project that I made in 9th grade, and I made it with the title Rules for Handling Corpses. Then we move to achievement. So the first achievement that I put in here is I become a mentor IT camp. So uh, I became a mentor at the IT camp, even held by IDN boarding school, where everyone outside from IDN can join this IT camp to learn the material that we learn while at IDN. So in here, me, Faisal, and Ryan get chosen to be mentor of IT camp to teach them what we learn in here and teach them like tilawah and other. And the second achievement, I get English competition. 9th grade, I joined this English competition in 9th grade. I participate in the English Olympiad and I won a gold medal in the Olympiad, which was held by Pekan Olimpiade Sains Nasional or POSN. And then we will go to my experience. So the first experience is Edures. Edures is an event that very good and very good event that I do in Aidenburn school because we go to outside. And then the second is Mission Impossible with my friend. I only remember Hisham and Azza in my team. Then we get many money and we buy a rocket chicken. Then the next is IDN teaching. IDN teaching is a event that we must do one when we are in junior high school to graduate. Then the next is camping. Camping is a event that different from camping in general. I have many experience with my friend at camping, with swimming at Curug and other. Then the next is IDN Techno Fair. This is a event that very big because because all IDN branch collaborate to make this IDN Techno Fair, and after the event we go to Bromo with all mentor. And then the next is market day. Market day, we sell by each class. Then we sell chicken, fries, and nugget, and other drink. Next is part of OSIS. Yes, I ever be a part of OSIS, and I became a vice president because I lose interview with Faisal. Okay, maybe that's all that I can present to you all. Sorry if I have any mistake. As I say, thank you all. CC. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.